Hello, and in this video, we'll show you how to install Power BI on Windows 11 64-bit. Let's begin. Power BI Desktop has a free version, and there are two ways of installing it. Make sure you watch this entire video so you can see the preferred method and why. To get started, just use a compatible browser like Microsoft Edge or the latest versions of Google Chrome, Safari Mac, or Firefox Desktop, and go to powerbi.microsoft.com. In the top menu, select Products and then go to Power BI Desktop. Here, there are two ways of downloading it. First, by using the yellow download button, which we will review later on. But first, let's check the Download or Language Options link right here. Here you have all of the different supported languages. Also, you can make your selection and press download. Then in the details section, you have the version number and release date. It's always good to check the system requirements. You want to make sure that your laptop or desktop can handle it. Check the supported operating systems right here. And in this case, we're using Windows 11, which is good. How can you check if your laptop is a 32 or 64-bit? Well, just go to the search bar and type About in Windows 11 or type System Settings in any other version. Go to About your PC and scroll down to System Type. In this example, we have the 64-bit, so we can install it. If you download Power BI using this method, every month you will have to download the updated version. You will not lose your work or any data, but it is an extra step if you want to use the latest version. Let's show you a better way to install Power BI by closing this tab. And we now see the yellow download button. By clicking here, it will take you right to the App Store. We need to enable it in this example, and now we can install Power BI Desktop following the instructions on this section here. By installing Power BI using the Microsoft Store, it will give you the latest updates automatically, and it will identify the compatible version for you. And while the system downloads, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. Thank you. As soon as the setup is complete, it will take you to a page similar to this one, so you can start using Power BI. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.